Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Thomas. I'm the Technical Director of Surveyar. I have about 10 years experience in developing innovative real-world atmospheric and environmental solutions. The innovation that we're developing is designed to address two of the fundamental problems in urban areas at the moment in the UK, and that is air quality and the urban heat island effect, which will be exacerbated through climate change. So we want to measure it in 3D. In fact, we need to measure it in 3D if we're going to really understand what's going on in our cities. And the way to do that is to use a network of small drones which have air quality and meteorological sensors which have a good enough response rate and accuracy to map out in 3D what's going on in our urban spaces. And by doing this on a regular basis in terms of flying and measurements and getting this directly to the users who need it, we're aiming to revolutionize the way that we make measurements in the urban areas and tie in with smart cities and the ability for the user to see exactly what's going on in their local area. The D-TRIG program has specifically helped us with the aims of this project through introductions with the Civil Aviation Authority, for example, with whom we can talk about exactly the pathway we need in order to safely and legally and robustly make such measurements in urban areas. It gives us a space to dream about the art of the possible, if you will, and yet have a realistic pathway to achieving that. Without being on the D-TRIG program, we wouldn't have been able to develop this idea. We've got two major problems in our urban areas right now. One of them is poor air quality, and the other one is urban heat island effect and human discomfort, largely going to increase due to climate change. The way that we will benefit the society is that by the provision of this extra layer of information to understand really what's going on with heat transport and pollutant transport within the city. Armed with that information, town planners, for example, or infrastructure managers can make better decisions about where to place things within the urban environment to mitigate. We expect our innovation to help with long-term environmental problems such as air quality and urban heat island. So, how these things move around in urban areas. That's great. We think we can do that with our swarm drone technology and pathway of data. Once we've understood how to do that, we can apply our technology to a variety of other different use cases. And really the one that I'm very interested in, which is based on largely my academic background as well, is the Earth-atmosphere exchange of greenhouse gases. And this is fundamentally important as we try and move towards net zero. In addition to that, we can use our other technology, what we call the Dragonfly drone, which has an integrated LiDAR, thermal camera, multispectral camera, and high-resolution RGB camera to build up 3D models of any given surface, very high resolution, which will allow us to identify within there how that particular piece of land is performing in terms of, all kinds of things actually, but it will help us to assess it in terms of the greenhouse gas emissions and depositions.